Today class is lecture topic problems in general. Problem: generalize the following transaction in the books of Ganesh. It is a problem of general. First solution, you draw the format of general. Format have 5 columns. First heading also general entries in the books of Ganesh. Name Ganesh. Ganesh. Next, first column date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. It is a general format. After every transaction, properly read. You follow the debit and credit principles of accounts. First transaction you read. First January 2016, Ganesh started his business with gas 1 lakh. This also capital. In this transaction come the cash in the business. Cash is the real account. Any come the cash, that is debit. In this transaction, cash account is debit, capital account is credit. Enter the entry. First date, January 1, 2016. Particulars, cash account data to capital account. Being commenced business with cash. Debit amount to credit account amount. This entry is over. Next transaction, January 2, 2016. Borrowed from Mahesh rupees 50,000. Borrowed means you from Mahesh. Mahesh is the real account name. Borrowed Mahesh is the giver. Real account or personal account is known the any giver credited, receiver or debit. In this also giver Mahesh. Cash is the debit account. Mahesh account is credit. First enter the date 2 January 2016. First account name is cash account. Next second name is Mahesh account. Narration: being borrowed from Mahesh. This entry is over. Next one is 5th January 2016. Purchased furniture. In this transaction is no name, no cash. It is also cash transaction. Furniture 1, cash 2. Furniture account is debit, cash account is credit. Date furniture account data to cash account. Being purchased furniture for cash. Enter the amount to debit column. Enter the amount to credit column. This entry is over. Next one is 8th January 2016. Purchase furniture from Mohan on credit. In this transaction, no cash, only person name. It is a credit transaction. Enter the name of person, Mohan. In this furniture account is debit, Mohan account is credit. Mohan is the giver. This furniture account to debtor to Mohan account, being purchase furniture from Mohan. Amount narration also, being purchase furniture from Mohan. Amount is debit column 25,000, credit column 25,000. Next transaction, tenth January 2016. Purchase goods for cash. Goods in this goods account and cash account. Cash is go out, that is a real account. Any amount go out, that is credit. Why go out? Purchase goods. Purchase account is debit, cash account is credit. Purchase account to debtor to cash account, being purchase goods for cash. Amount to debit column, credit column amount. Enter. This entry is over. Next one is 15th January 2016. Purchase goods from Ram on credit, rupees 8,000. In this clearly known the name of person on credit, no cash. This transaction is credit transaction. You enter the name of person. Ram is the giver. Giver is enter the credit in the entry. In this also purchase also debit. Purchase account debit to Ram account credit. Ram is the giver. This day to 15/2016. Purchase account data to Rama account. Purchase being purchase from Ram. This entry is over. Next one is 16 January 2016. Sold goods for cash. In this transaction also two. One is the cash, second one is sales. Cash is come. Cash is real account. Any come asset, that is debited. Why come cash? Is sale of goods. Sale account is credit. Date 16 January 2016. cash account data to sale account, amount to amount. Being goods sold per cash. This entry is over. Next one is 17 January 2016. Sold goods to Sam on credit. In this transaction, name of person Sam. No cash. Specially mentioned the on credit. This transaction is credit transaction. In the center the name Sam. Sam is the giver. That giver account is debited. Why you purchase the sales of goods? Sale account is credit. This Sam account is date 17 January 2016. Sam is receiver. Sam account debtor to sale account. Amount to amount. Being goods sold to Sam. Narration. This entry is over. Next one is 20 January 2016. Received cash from Sam. ₹1,000. In this transaction is two accepts. One is cash, second one is Sam. Received cash is come in. Real account is any asset come, that is debit. Sam is the giver. Personal account. Any giver is credited. This transaction cash account debit, Sam account is credit. January 2016. Cash account debtor to Sam account. Being cash received from Sam. Enter the amount to debit column. Enter the amount credit column. This transaction is over. Next one is 22 January 2016. Paid cash to Ram. ₹8,000. Paid. Pay. This transaction is go out the cash to Ram. Cash is the real account. Ram is personal account. Cash is go out. You credit to the cash. Ram is real account. A personal account is a receiver. Receiver is debit. Ram account is debit. Cash account is credit. Ram account is date 22 January 2016. Ram account debit to cash account credit. Being paid cash to Ram. This debit column and credit column enter amount. This entry is over. Next one is 25th January 2016, paid salary rupees 50,000. This is nominal account. Paid salary. Any expenses or losses is debit. Any income and gains also credited. Salary is the expenditure. Salary account is debited. Pay. Cash is go out. Cash is the real account. Any account come in, that is debit. Go out, that is credit. In this transaction, cash is go out, goes out. So cash account is credit, salary account is expenditure, is debit. Date 25th January 2016. Salary account is debit. To cash account is credit. Debit amount 5,000, credit account 5,000. Enter the columns. Being paid cash to salary. This entry is over. Last one is 28 January 2016. Received interest rupees. In this transaction is interest cash. Received. Received also, interest also income. It is a nominal account. Any expenditure or losses you debited. Any income or profit is credited. Interest is the income. Interest account is credited. Cash is come. Cash account is real account. Any real account asset, any come in debit, goes out credit. In this transaction, cash is come in. Cash account is debit. Interest account is credit. January 28 2016. Cash account debit. To interest account credit. Being interest received. Amount is enter debit column, enter credit column. This problem is over. Thank you.